All right, now, I've always wondered how much of this rope can hold me. I'm always curious, like, what if my rope happens to graze on like a sheet metal roof or something? I want to know what this rope is gonna do if it comes down to 1 or 2 strands. Is it gonna hold me? I'm really curious to find out. So, here's a little, I guess we can call it controlled test in my front yard. We'll see how it goes. I have an anchor up here, just a clove hitch with a half hitch to back it up. I have a running bowline tied to my bridge, and I'm gonna cut the line right here and go for a little swing. I'm gonna lower myself down. Taking the weight off of my climb line here. I'm gonna be swinging under this limb into some brush. All right. I'm a little nervous here. For science, you know? Come on. There we go. So, I'm gonna be swinging into my little climbing rope here. So let's see. This needs to be out of my way here. Stay. All right. Let's see. Oh God. Now my climb line is pretty slack. So that's like, I would say that's probably halfway through right there. Can you see that, YouTube? So this is like, I don't know, I would say over halfway through, probably like 7 or 8 strands holding. Crazy. All right. Now I'm holding on to my backup. Holy shit. Oh God. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Oh. The cord broke. So now the cord broke. I felt the cord break. The core strands broke. Whew. All right. Let's see. Oh, good. Oh, man. So there's like 1 strand that's holding me. 1 strand or 2. 1 or 2 strands that's holding me. All right, I'm gonna strands. Whew. I don't have my foot extender on. That was awesome. 2 strands. I was bouncing on 2 strands. I had to cut it in order to come off there. Whew. Super interesting. Thanks for joining me in that. That was fun. Got my heart going. I was bouncing all my weight on 2 strands of climbing line. Now, would you want to climb? Would you want to climb all day on something like that? No. You don't want to climb at all on something like that. But it's good to know, you know? Little experiment. All right, I'm gonna go have a cigarette.